Hey guys, so today we are working with Yiroo Hair Company, and all I'm going to do is show you how to construct this glue-in quick weave today. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking this unbleached closure and I'm just basically putting it on the cap, basically like you do a wig. You're going to do the same thing, and I'm just sewing it onto the cap. So I take 2 needles and I go from each side, so this side and then the other side, and come all the way around, and both of the needles meet. So all I'm going to do is sew this around. You see me, and I have videos of how you completely do a closure and how you properly sew it on. I will leave it somewhere in the video. I always say that, but I never do. But anyways, you know what I'm saying. So I did my first wig today. Completely did it. Like constructed it, curled it, all of that. Even the makeup tutorial is on its way to this. So yes, I'm just basically stitching both sides. So this lace or this cap was already too big for her head. She has a pretty big size head. And what I'm doing is I'm basically just taking off the excess lace, cap underneath the lace, and what I'm going to do is put this on her head so that we can get ready to glue these bundles on. But first, what I'm going to do is take a little bit of foundation of her color, and I'm going to just basically pat this on the unbleached closure because I did not bleach it at all, and I should have. Maybe it would have blended in a little bit better. But this closure, I don't know. To me, AliExpress closures are not good closures like that. But you know, I had to work with what I had to work with. I'm not a specialist. I don't know how to do hair. All I know is what I see. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to actually set it with some powder. Hair actually looked really beautiful. Like, look at that curl in this hair. I didn't even have to curl it, but I chose to anyways. So that now that is done, what I'm going to do is take some even gel, and I'm going to basically gel her edges up. And she just put her hair in some dookie braids. That's it. That's all I told her to do. Alright, so what I'm doing now is basically putting the cap on her head, and what I'm going to do is glue down the closure first before I start gluing everything else on her head. So I took some boho. I like this glue because it does stays on, and she's going to be wearing this wig for a very long time, I think. I hope so. So I did that, and I sprayed some Gatsby glue, and I am now blow drying it. Wait till it gets clear, because my dumb self didn't wait till it get all the way clear, but wait till it gets clear. But it did stick. It did stick though. It's not coming off her head and it's secure, honey. Get you some bow hold. So right here, I'm going to take the 20 inch because it's a 20, 16, and a 18 inch, or 16, 18, 20 inch. Yes, that's what it is. So I'm just basically taking the tracks and cutting them and sizing them as I go all the way up to the closure. So you're gonna see me try to leave out a part where I can cut the part where her ear is, because she was like, no, this cap is basically covering her ear. So we basically went around her ear with the tracks, and then we started going and making it even because I didn't want her ears to be covered. So we are going to cut that off. It's not going to be in the video. However, I'm just going to lay each track down with some 30-second glue. That's all I did until I got to the top of the closure, and then close it up and let down in here so that it could be styled. That is all I did for this video, y'all, and that is it. I want y'all to watch me slay this hair. I think I did okay. I think I did okay for my very first time. What y'all think? Comment down below. Tell me what y'all think. But anyways, I cannot wait to see you guys on the makeup side. That's my thing. Continue to watch this video, and I'll see you in the makeup tutorial.